everyone, this is Sugarcane package. We are specialized in package design and manufacturing. Today I would like to show you an electronic pulp tray. Look at here. It is made by white press from Sugarcane pulp. It is made by this shape. Look at the surface. It is smooth on the one side and it has some mesh texture on the other side. In addition, there is a groove to place the product, and it have a good holding effect in the product. Now about this shape, it is molded by our mold. It doesn't need extra cost to make. And we have achieved their pollution, their addition, and their image in the production process. The wastewater and the cutting corner material can be reused, including defective products can also be recycled. Truly achieve the concept of environmental protection. The important thing is that it is 100% within 3 months. And if you want to design unique pulp tray package, welcome to contact with us. Thank you very much.